Hello guys, it's your girl Stan Rita. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make flat tummy smoothie. You know, summer is coming and we need to cut all those berry fats. So the ingredients we're gonna need for this smoothie are half a cucumber, one whole apple, you can use green apple if you like, small ginger, and spinach. I really love spinach so much because it's very healthy and filling. So I'm gonna cut all the ingredients and pour into a blender. Guys, if you really want this smoothie to work for you, just use it as your breakfast. Once you drink it, don't take another plane till noon. Eat your lunch in the afternoon and have your dinner before 6 p.m. That's the only way for you to see your results in 1 week. Alright, so here I am blending the smoothie. Remember to add 1 glass of water before you blend. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Please guys, for more videos like this, like, share and subscribe. I really wanna see or hear your feedback from these recipes to make sure that what I'm doing is working for you guys as it's working for me. Thank you and stay tuned.